Introducing our Tinnitus Relief 650nm red light therapy ear laser device. This natural and serene solution reduces tinnitus symptoms by 80 to 95% and improves hearing by 5 to 10%. With just 30 minutes of daily usage, it relieves otitis media and rhinitis. Our product, with its 650nm wavelength and 5 mW laser output power, improves microcirculation and lipid metabolism. Experience the benefits of improved hearing today with our infrared light therapy laser device.